Welcome to Ejisco Tech TV, where innovative meets insight. Join us as we delve into latest trends, breakthrough technology, and transformative ideas shaping the future. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, entrepreneur, or simply curious about what is next in the digital world, you have come to the right place. Get ready to explore, learn, and be inspired with Ejisco Tech TV. Thank you for staying with us. This topic we're going to treat is another controversial thing that's been happening. Our guest here has a lot of experience in all these things. He knows the road and he's going to show us the way so that no one of you can become a victim again. If you were a victim before or you're about to become one, with this interview tonight, you can be saved. So we're going to be discussing about trading and investment. What I mean is some individual who said they can trade for you, then you give them your money. So want to see, and a lot of things have been happening around that space. A lot of people have lost millions of naira and all that. So we're going to discuss around this area. Why is it happening? Is it really true that people can trade and make that kind of money and sustain it? So follow me as we discuss. So yes. Trading, investment, it has been a whole lot of controversial discussion around it. You see some individuals who will tell you, I'm trading, I can trade very well, give me money. When you give me money, some promise 30% monthly, some promise even more, maybe just to lure you in, because if I have $1,000, you are saying you are giving me 50% monthly. Wow, I can make a calculation that in the next 6 months I'll be a billionaire. So and most of the time from information I've gathered so far, it fails. Even big organizations who claim to have professionals that trade, they still have the same problem. Especially in this country, Nigeria, we have a lot of issues like that. There's a firm that I think they take up to almost $1 billion naira or so, and the guy disappeared. Till today, nobody knows where he is, and people went back home to cry because they can't pick any money anymore. So, what do you think? Is this thing really achievable? Is it real?
Okay, now this is an amazing question. Like I would always say in discussing things like this, everything we'll be saying here is basically for educational content and not financial advice. Now, from the little I have gathered, right, the financial world has some major players in it. Most times when you see financial investments of individuals who say, bring money to me, I'll trade on your behalf and I'll give you some return on investment. Especially individuals that are not licensed traders, because their licensed traders actually do the same thing. No. There are institutions that what their solely purpose is individuals bring money to them, they trade whatever markets in the financial world and give them returns. We have hedge funds, they trade pensioners' income, there are quite a handful of them. But the day-to-day trader like you and I, or anybody who comes from anywhere and just give himself either an Instagram handle or Twitter handle and tell you, I am XYZ and I've been trading for years. Most times what we've seen is that these individuals, they build a perception that they have been making millions, either in USD or whatever currency through this, and they want you to bank on their experience for them to trade on it because you don't have that. What I would always recommend to people who want to take that route is most times it doesn't end well. Let's be honest, it doesn't end well. Are there individuals who they have good intentions to actually trade for people? Yes, they are. But most times it goes south. So I would say it's not a yes or no when it comes to whether this is real or not, because the financial system actually works. Okay. But you're giving your money to someone to trade on your behalf is something I wouldn't recommend. Most especially if that individual is not a licensed trader, because there are licensed traders all over the world.
Okay.
Where you understand that, okay, you have, if things go south, there's where you can go to and you actually have better recovery of funds. But individuals are not licensed traders, I'll recommend you don't do that.
All right. So, for example, if an individual comes and says, well, I'm a good trader, because most time the licensed traders are not, let me use the word, a lot of people don't have access to them, or they don't even know how to access them. So these vendors, these traders vendors, let me use that word, because they go to you, they converse to you that I can trade for you, give me money. Now, how will one protect himself from such people? Especially because some people have some money, but they don't know how to grow the money. And they feel, well, instead of me to spend this money, if somebody can trade for me and give me some percentage, maybe the space of 6 months or 1 year, that can sustain me for a while. Now, because this is where a lot of people fall victim. So how do one protect himself?
Okay.
And if such individuals want, just like you mentioned, that want to access the licensed trader, how do they go about it?
Okay, I think let me start with the last question. For individuals who are looking for licensed traders, number one, your bank will definitely grant you access to that. Two, the Security and Exchange Commission is also a place you want to go and find out this information. I don't know how to give you that information on people who are licensed traders. Now, let's flip down to the first question of individuals who give people their money. Just like in any business, there's risk involved in it. That's the first thing you should understand. And I would always preach, invest what you can afford to lose, because most times, 9 out of 10 times, you would actually lose your money. An individual who is telling you, I'm an expert in doing XYZ, I can take your 5 cents and make it $5. I can flip your $5 to $50. In actual sense, if you have that skills to yourself, I don't think you need people's money. Maybe you might want to ask yourself that question. If this person is really good at what he does, why does he need my money? Two, if you're looking for an individual to actually assist you, now not the person recruiting you to give you money, understand that this individual, especially if he's not licensed, there's a potential for you to lose the income you're giving to them. You know, we are driven in a world where social media actually send the wrong signal. People give you a flashy lifestyle of, I have made XYZ amount of money through trading, either options, forex, or crypto. It gives you a false information. They either do this because they want to sell you a particular program, or they want to get your money as an investment. Like I would always see, people who, especially they use the internet to want to recruit people to buy their course or whatever, flashing either the best of vehicles, going to the best of destination in the world. All they are after most times is how to make money. And how to make money is quite easy. By teaching you, either through selling a program to you, on how to earn the money that they themselves are not making. I'll repeat that. Most of these people you see sell you a dream of how to earn the money they are not earning. In so doing, they earn money from you. So you have to be very, very careful most times when you want to engage in things like this.
Okay. Can individuals learn trading?
Absolutely. The beauty about the world where we are right now is information is available to everyone and it's not limited. If this is a path you want to take to learn how to trade the financial market for yourself, simply go on the internet. There are free tools to teach you how to do this. And most of the times, those free tools will start by telling you the risk involved, because many people try to shy away from that. There's huge risk involved in it. A layman definition of trading forex, for example, I heard this somewhere and it made me laugh. It's one person in one side of the world, another person on another side of the world. Both are leveraging on their know-how in order to earn money.
Yeah.
The one an individual loses is what another one gains.
Yes.
While the middleman, who is the broker, always makes money from
Money
both
from
loss.
both sides.
So what I'll say to you is, go for knowledge first. I would always champion that. Go learn this skill for yourself, so that you know that your loss is 100% on you, not on somebody else.
Oh wow. Yeah. Viewers, you have heard it all. Don't invest your money into individuals' hands. If you want to even invest at all, go to licensed traders and make your investments. To some extent, you are protected by the government and some policies. So, and also, if you want to learn trading by yourself, the informations are online. Go and learn and start trading by yourself. Stop giving your money to individuals. Start keeping your money and invest your money wisely. Thank you.
Connect with us at Agisco Tech TV for more insights, resources, and opportunities. Together, let's harness the power of digital transformation to create lasting impact. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also visit us at agisco.com.